breathing into the river. Deeply and meaningfully, breathing into the depths of my lungs reminds me that I'm alive. I'm grateful for the air. I know that the air is destined to be inside me, to become part of me, to nourish me, and for a moment belong to me. The variant of breath helps our brain, it stretches our will, and drives us to reach beyond our current comforts. It helps us to succeed, relax, awaken and process. Breathing is routine, automatic, and happening alongside life. When I meditate, I slow my breath. With every breath I create purpose, control, depth, and peace. When I run, my breath hastens, delivering oxygen to my body, creating purpose, control, rhythm, and drive. My breath and body dance together, keeping the same rhythm, sinking to explore the given landscape. My inner and outer worlds are connected through my movement and breath, and all these elements are required for me to reach self-realization. Darkest times. In my darkest of moments, I surrender to the pain, allowing the anger and frustration to fill my lungs, giving me power, giving me strength. I push my body until I feel it strain. The harder I push, the deeper my breath, reinforcing the connection between mind and body, clearing my head, clearing the thoughts, just focused on the ground moving beneath. Breath of fresh land. A calmness in my mind comes from a faster pace of breath, stretching my lungs as my legs climb beyond the sky, as landscapes fold and unfold, dip and scoop. They offer movement, purpose and direction. My eyes scan and interpret the ground beneath my feet. Their rhythmic beat guides my thoughts out of the dark. Nature soothes by gently grasping my attention. It does not demand or possess any expectation. How to shine bright. Involve deep upturning of painful memories. Prioritize time to sit and hold your feelings. Embody your emotions and embrace pain. Navigate the waves of turbulent stories. Revisit as often as it takes to overcome. To rewrite, to understand, to question. Accept the inevitable suffering. Recognize it's a part of life. Move towards peace. Believe in dignity, happiness, love.